Okay, today we're going to go for a drive in my 1966 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. Corvettes produced in 1966, and around 2,200 of them were Power Glides. They had 3-speed manual, 4-speed manual, and the Power Glide was an optional transmission. So very few people took it, obviously. Transmission being a 2-speed, so I don't know, the thing probably goes 80 in first gear, so it won't shift as frequently, obviously, as a 3-speed. But I've talked to several people about the Power Glide. The guy from Meekum Auctions said that, Power Glides used to be negative, now they're not. A lot of people like, and I particularly like the automatic. At times, I have 4-speed cars. My wife does not drive a 4-speed, so this is a car that she likes to drive. This particular car was a frame-off restoration. It was born a 327 300 horse, but was when it was rebuilt to 350 horse specifications. So obviously they had 427. I think they had 425 horse. I know they had 390 horse. So obviously this would have been the base motor. The 300 was the base motor.